Hey everyone, today we're turning leftover rice and protein into a delicious and easy meal, fried rice. Let's get started. To make this dish, we'll need a few simple ingredients. Leftover cooked rice, leftover cooked chicken or turkey, frozen mixed vegetables, green onions, garlic, eggs, soy sauce, salt and pepper, and Maggi seasoning. No Maggi seasoning? No problem. Soy sauce will do the trick. We will start with scramble the eggs and set them aside. Don't forget put the salt. Now let's heat some oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, we'll add the minced garlic and saute until fragrant. Next we'll add the chopped chicken or turkey and stir fry until heated through. Here I'm adding a little bit more oil. Then we'll add frozen mixed vegetables to the wok and stir fry until they are tender crisp. Now it's time for rice. We'll add the cooked rice to the wok and break it up with a spatula. I'm adding a bit of Maggi seasoning for extra flavor. Finally, we'll add the scrambled eggs to the wok and mix everything together until well combined. Now garnish with green onions. And there you have it, a quick and easy meal made from leftovers. So simple, guys. So I would recommend, if you have leftovers of turkey or chicken, old rice, 15 minutes, maybe 20 the most, and you have healthy and delicious food.